I'll have to throw that on the scale later. See what we got. Yeah. All right. Just in case they turn these into dirty while I'm there, make damn sure I got my clean off of it. I mean, I'm thinking it's clean, but they might be thinking it's dirty. So, if there is something clean on there, I want it before they say, no, that's dirty. Even though a magnet won't stick to it. Who knows? Whatever. Let me just get it off of there. Almost looks red. Almost looks red. I guess we're clean red right there. I could be wrong. I know there's a lot of certain amount contaminants. That's not sticking. It's clean yellow. Or as I can see. If I bring this into the scrapyard and I try to say it's red, they're going to want to see a scratch. If I say it's yellow brass, they're probably going to want to see a scratch. So I'm scratching everything. Even that. That's a piece of steel. I mean a piece of brass. That's a piece of brass. Dirty brass. Get a clean piece off of there by taking that little lid, throwing that. Boy, it looks so clean to me. I'm gonna wait and let them tell me it ain't clean, damn it. Let them tell me it ain't clean. Like I say, these are a lot of fittings that could be used in some application. Sure. Hopefully I don't have any need for them for myself anytime soon. I'm not a plumber. I am not a plumber, and I would not know the correct way of using this stuff. That's for sure. Might hang on to that. Man. Now let's say it's dirty. Not super clean, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that nut off of right there. Don't know if it's gonna happen. Let's see what happens here, guys. It's the best way to chew this thing. All right. Will it come off? Yeah, looks like it. That was easier than I thought. let's see what we got here, guys. Even the screw is clean. We got nothing here picking up. Get that little rubber piece off right there. Crap it. That's brass. 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 I mean, you're allowed a certain amount of contaminants, and there's just not much contaminants there. Yeah. That's clean brass. Huh. Okay, let's see what we got here. Not bad. Not bad at all. And that was just stuff that was laying around. So yeah, holy smoke. To be honest with you, I didn't expect that. It's the first time I went there without a trailer. I can tell you one thing. Copper and brass pays a whole lot more than scrap metal. $319.55 total. I believe I can buy dinner with that. Alright everybody, that was my day. Hope everybody had a good day. Turn this thing around. Hope everybody had a good day. Just keeping it real. Go out there and enjoy yourself and make every day the best day you can make it. Every day, make it the best you can make it. And trust me, if you try to do that every day will be better than the last. So thanks for watching everybody, and that was my day. It's actually 2:39 on, I'm thinking Thursday. Kind of get my days mixed up a little bit when I don't work every day. Punch that clock. So anyways, no more punching the clock. Scrapbook with Grandpa is done for the day. We will see you next time. See you when we get there. Somebody asked me about that. If you're still interested, I do have it. That one's broke off, needs to be rebored. That one probably will too. Don't have a screwdriver. Alright, so we put it off. Dirty brass. All right. Time, except for online. Somebody sends me a an estimate for a mobile home roof. I'll do that for the travelers. Drew's Roofing Home Repair for Travelers. Follow them around videoing. That is fun. Just so you know, they have a good time when they go out of town. They do. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair the Travelers. Somebody might want to check out one day. I'm part of the traveling team because I'm the video guy. I do the videos. I could cut that down and make it into 3 pieces and make an extra penny. I'm not willing, to be honest. I'll just take what I can in copper and then take the other one that's dirty brass. Copper. Dirty. And this is going to be, might be red brass though. Yellow. Yeah, yellow. Yellow brass. I'm getting down on this bucket to where I'll be able to separate some of that stuff. I have no idea what this is. Probably a piece of steel, but let's find out. You don't know unless you scratch it. It's not steel, it's yellow brass, so take that off of there. Yellow brass. Gotta have it. Let me see, I think I should have went another way with that. Yeah, here we go. So you always scratch it. Gosh. Sometimes it's a little hard to tell yellow from red. Give it a good scratch. Gosh. I don't know what that is, guys. It looks red, but it doesn't look like the same kind of yellow. Yeah, maybe it is. Okay, yellow brass. Yellow brass. Dirty brass. Take a second, pop that off there real quick. Get a nice little 3 or 4 inch piece of copper. A piece of copper. You got some clean and you got some dirty. You got some bright. Got some nice pots and whatever you call these things. Brass, solid brass too. So that's a good thing. All right. I want to get down to the bottom of this bucket. Well, that's what's left. I guess that is the bottom. So that being the case, I've been separating what I would call dirty brass. 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 Red brass. The same. Some more red brass. Looks like it. What we got here? Oh yeah, it's red brass there. Dirty red brass. Yellow brass. Yellow brass. Yellow brass. Dirty yellow. Correct it if you don't know. Looks red to me. Dirty red brass. Nice yellow brass, clean yellow brass, obviously. That's clean yellow brass. We ain't getting rid of that. Can't do that. Let's see what we got here. Some dirty yellow, I believe. All day. Yellow. Oh, that's copper. That is copper. And this is red brass. Nope, yellow brass. Let's take that apart. Take that apart, man, if we can. What we got here? Oh yeah, shoot, it's not even on there. Well, this is clean. This is definitely copper. It's clean copper though, so it goes right there. Nice piece too. Nice piece. This is clean red. Right there. Let's see what else we got over here. A couple of clean pieces here. This is clean copper. Clean. Clean. Dirty. Clean. Alright. Oh yeah. Dirty brass. Let her go like that. Maybe cut that little piece of copper off so it's in my hand. And shoot. Don't fall. Clean brass, and I always say that because I have a super strong magnet right here. And it ain't nothing but brass in that bad boy. Ain't nothing but brass. One little screw. So to me, that's clean yellow brass. I don't know what they're going to tell me when I get to the scrapyard. That we'll have to find out. But clean yellow is what I'm going to put it in, which would be right there. All right. Yeah, that might have been red. Red. What? That's red. It shouldn't be in there. It shouldn't be in there. That's red. Yellow. Come on, guys. Let's get this right. definitely a piece of copper. A heavy duty piece of copper, but I say that's clean, heavy copper. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this whole bucket. These things here, I'm gonna take them all off. Taking all these off, every one of them, because they're aluminum. And I'm gonna actually save them as old because they're kind of antique-ish. I'm not gonna throw them away. I gotta, what I do with that bucket this morning, empty. Good place to put all of them, right there. I put them in there yesterday. Another one. Now when I take this apart, this is what I find. It's a little small rubber grommet. Big deal, it's not anything. And to be honest with you, I think it could pass for clean. But I just go ahead and pop it out, stick that screw back in there, take that little gasket right there off. It's made of plastic. Usually with a nice flat screwdriver does the best for me. Pop that little thing off of there. Get out of there. And then you can throw a heavy magnet. Now I'm telling you, this magnet that I have is for fishing. And there's something in there. This metal. So I want to see what it is. Because I would love to put this in there as clean. But can't say that I can unless I take this thing apart. So what we got here, or even if that will even hold it. Oh yeah, not too bad. All right, what's in here that's dirty? No, it's definitely not that. That's a piece of clean. Something in there. Is it that screw? Nope. So that's clean brass right there. So what is it? Should I say what's inside? Alright, clean brass. What is inside of this thing? It's catching metal. And will it come out? It's at the bottom. See if this piece comes out all the way. It does. And it is magnetic. Look at that. Take that off, and that is still slightly magnetic. I'm totally baffled by that, to be honest with you. I mean, this is a super strong magnet, ain't no doubt about that. Most magnets would not stick to it at all. Let's see if this little skinny one will. Not sticking to it. Let's see if this one will. No, it will not. I'm putting in a clean brass. That's what I think it is. That's what I'm gonna put that in as. I don't know 100%. Basically, all I'm doing is taking this every single piece that I have in there, because I have so many, and I know that some of them are fittings that could be used for other, but I got this from scrapping. I don't have time to put everything. I don't have time to separate everything. So dirty brass, nice piece of clean copper. So I just have to scrap it. I mean, I'm not going to try to sell stuff on eBay all day long and sell stuff on Marketplace all day long. I don't really have time for all of that. That's some clean yellow brass. See if we can get any. I'm just really just quickly seeing if I can clean these things up, get a little bit more out of them. If I can't, I will not. it's not coming off, okay. But what is it? Is it aluminum? That seems like that's probably aluminum. That's probably brass, but that's not going to categorize in dirty brass or anything, so I'm going to throw that aside. Okay. I'm looking for yellows and reds. Yellows and reds. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Dirty yellow is what I'm going to call it. I mean clean yellow. Sorry, that goes in the wrong bucket. Damn it, Andrew. Go there. Go there. Clean. Clean yellow. Clean yellow. Clean yellow. Dirty yellow. And that's all I'm doing. If there's something clean that I can pop off of it real quick, I will. Like that little screw. And I'm sure it's going to be clean. Something. We'll scratch it here in a minute. Yeah, that's some clean yellow. You can see that right off the bat. And then this has copper coming out of it. It is yellow. You can see that all the way around. And we'll call that dirty yellow. Dirty yellow. Clean yellow. I know this takes up a lot of time, but it's the most important part if you're going to get the most of your money. I always take my strong magnetic and see if I can get anything on there, and I'll tell you, I still take my little nut. Turning in the brass and the copper. Let's see what kind of money we can get. I'm so excited, I might even do it today. But yeah. Oh, that's definitely some red. We got here a piece of copper. Red brass for sure. Red brass for sure. No doubt about that. Another one here. Let's see what we got here. Yellow. Yep. That's some red brass right there. Thinking that's a piece of copper, but then it looks like it's actually red brass. Right. Red. Can't mow back here with all this stringy stuff, she says. What else? I think that's it. Close her up. Couldn't have got you at a better time. You guys ain't doing nothing.
All day since 8 o'clock. Wide open.
Wide open?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright. Well, this is the first time I ever come here without a trailer. First time I ever come here without a trailer. Motors. What's the difference between red brass and yellow brass?
Probably, might be a price wise. I really don't know.
Well, these are all scratched red.
Alright, that's good.
This is all clean yellow. And I say that because I knocked off everything. That's completely yellow.
Yeah,
this is
good.
yellow. Look at this shit. It's all heavy. Freaking shit. Now, nothing in there, but
Yeah, you good.
I cleaned it all up. Hold on a second. I want to try something. Look at there. How much difference is it? Oh, damn. Look at that. So these things are give and take about a pound, ain't they? Huh?
I mean, I imagine it goes down to the ounces on it.
Does it? I don't think so. Not looking like that. Look. Yeah, see there? Yeah, I see how it does.
Alright.
43 pounds. I'll keep that. Hey man, when you're a scrapper, you gotta be picky.
Yeah,
Yellow, clean. There's a big old piece of copper pipe, but I got some more. Don't be in a bad mood today, man.
I'm ready to get out of here. Boss.
I know, man. I got
Like literally in 3 minutes. I know.
I got a couple dirties, but yeah. Dirty.
Alright.
Brass. They're all brass. And that is actually brass also. I scratched them. Brass, brass, yellow brass. Yellow brass. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Yellow.
Sometimes aluminum rings.
No, I scratched them all. And I might see where we're at here. Oh, this thing, look there, it's leaning up against that table, bro. That's what the problem is.
Clean.
Here we got 10 pounds. I probably should have thrown this in with the other copper. This is copper plate. Couple pounds.
Brass.
Brass, okay, brass. I should have thrown it in with other brass. Dirty brass. Dirty brass.
That's good.
Tell me. I believe that's dirty red.
It's dirty brass. It all goes in the
Brass.
same box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Set it down so I can get it.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
What is that? Huh?
Low grade.
Low grade phone wire?
Yeah.
Damn it. Expect to get all hooked up. Low grade. Number 1, I believe. This is some dirty copper. All the fittings.
That's brass and copper.
Huh?
I had to buy that for dirty brass.
What would be the brass parts? Shit. Dirty. This is brass?
Yes.
Brass.
Dirty brass because it's got the plastic in it.
I got you. I got you, boss. What's it? Oh, plastic. Shit. Damn it. All right. Well, I'm learning. I'm just trying to learn. Trying to get it the best I can get. And what did you call this?
Just leave it in there. Dirty brass.
All right. Hey, man. I'm having a good day, dude. I'm having a great day. I know.
Go get the babies.
I know, bro. Well, I hope you do.
That's low grade.
Oh, is it? Even with that in it?
Yeah.
Damn. I thought that was 60%. Not 60? Wow, I should have stripped it. I should have stripped it because this is the wire I got from it. Same wire. I just didn't strip it.
Alright.
Wow. Okay. Almost done. Pretty sure this will be high grade or something.
Yeah, Ronex.
That's some heavy duty there. That's it, my friend. That's it.
I'll see you in the morning, Bubba.
Man, I hope you have a better day. I hate bad days. I do. I hate bad days.
Yeah, they suck.
They do, man. They do. I don't have many, so thank God. I feel fortunate, I guess. I'm fortunate.
Alright, washing my hands. I'm out of here.
Alright, sir.
Hey, man, I told him to go ahead and go home.
You did?
Yeah. Take the rest of the day off.
Well, let's see if he listens to you.
With pay. Let's go ahead and send him home with pay.
Alright.
I got a bunch of little this and that's today, buddy.
It all helps.
Bunch of little this and that.